How's it going, everyone? Today I have another Inventor tutorial for you. This one discusses how we can take a VEX antenna and attach it to a VEX chassis using all VEX parts to create a VEX robot. So I have got a chassis that I've already made up here. You can see everything here is fully constrained. Everything is using best practices that I teach. And then we're going to put a VEX antenna right on top of this, and I'm thinking I want to put it right on here. You can put it wherever. Typically you want to put them, away from metal parts and stuff, or kind of on the outside of the bot rather than the inside, so we can get a better signal. But this is just a small square bot. I don't worry about that kind of stuff right now. So let's jump on in. To do this is going to take some time. The reason is because it takes 4 constraints. It takes a mate to get it on top of that surface, and then it takes 3 tangents, and I'll show you what I mean. So first off, let's get a mate that connects this bottom face to that top face. Apply. Now we're moving around on there. Life is good. However, we need a way to set that in stone. Best way to do that is going to be from the bottom here. I need to line this up so it all kind of fits in there, and it's kind of difficult. So we're going to do a tangent from this circle to that face, a tangent from the same circle to that face, and then a tangent from this circle to that face. So let's jump on in. Open up my constraint panel here. I'm going to switch it to constraint. Very first thing I do is I switch it to constraint. To tangent. I switch it to tangent on there, right? Because tangent allows us to take a circular figure and attach it to any other figure only on one point, which allows us to kind of ride that line. So we're going to grab, just for ease of use here, I always tell my students to grab just the inside of that hole there. And they're going to grab that face, apply. We're going to kind of move our view around here. We're going to grab here and there and apply. The reason why I start with those 2 first is because you can see that now this is able to spin on here. It can't move forward and back, it can't move left and right, it just wants to spin. And with any other part using 3 constraints, we would be done by now, but we're not. So what we need to do is come back. This is the one that's constrained on here. It's constrained nicely. You can see how we're rotating around there. We need to grab this guy and constrain it to there. So let's do that. We'll take this one, change it to place a constraint. We're going to switch to a tangent constraint. Always switch to tangent first. Constrain it there to there. So that was 4 constraints. Notice how it doesn't move anymore. We did a mate to get it onto there. We did 2 tangents to kind of get it set onto one center, and then we did a 3rd tangent, making our 4th total constraint to get stop it from spinning around. And there you go. It's really that simple. That's how we attach an antenna to a VEX robot. As always, let me know what questions you have. I'll be happy to answer them. But this is all I got for you this time, so thank you for watching.